the trails, and then Saturday we do a 25K.
What do you sell these? Do you sell these?
They like add time for the thing. It's fun. Yeah, it's my product.
Oh, nice.
I did it a couple times.
Hi, this is Jasper with Hiveboxing.com. Today we're going to be doing an installation video for this Cobra Reflex bag. So when you get the box, I'm going to get some items in here, like this right here. The suction cups. This is to inflate the bag. Spring. Get an extra pair of gloves. If you don't have any gloves, you can use these. And then the base. So here's the base. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up with water. You have to take these screws off right here. You have to take these screws off right here. And then take this off, and then you have to pop this off with the tool and then put water in here. And then you're going to screw this back on, and then you can put all the other parts on it. So I'm going to do that later. I'm going to put water in here later, but for now, let's do these. So you get two bags in here. So if the first one pops, you got another one. There's an installation guide right here. Not going to need that. So the first thing is we're going to need to put the bag on here. You don't mind if I walk with my shoes on here, Shane?
Just, yeah, no shoes, but you can, you're all right there, you're okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
All right, so I'm taking this, screwing this on. All right, so now that's on. You can move this around, but you're going to need a wrench. This is an Allen wrench right here. Those suction cups, I don't want these suction cups. I'm going to throw them in the box. So we're going to need this, a wrench, and we're going to tighten this. So what we're doing right there, we're just tightening it, and then you can cover it up. So push that up. Alright, so next we're going to take the spring, put this into here on this side. So you need the washers, and you need 3 of these screws. I put this right here. Tighten it up with my finger. And later on, I'm going to use this Allen wrench to tighten it up. So the washer and these screws right here. Alright, so they go like that. There's 1, 2, 3. And use this Allen wrench to tighten it. Try not to strip it. So that's pretty tight. All 3 screws are in there. Alright, next. After the spring, this hole goes into here. And then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to need a washer and a nut. And this has got to go all the way in. So make sure it's all the way in. What's up, man?
Not much. Am I good to hit the bag right now? I don't know if you're
Oh,
doing anything. I don't know if I'm interfering if I go off to the side or something.
I mean, it's up. You can go ahead and do that.
Oh yeah, I mean, I won't be here longer than 5 minutes, probably. So.
Yeah,
Just
no
be
worries,
quick.
man.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You're good.
All right.
I'm not really talking much anyway, so.
Yeah, I don't know if you were like recording at this moment, you know. So.
No, yeah, it's recording. You're good though. You're good. I mean, they're gonna hear me.
Yeah.
Do you want to try out the Cobra bag when you're done though?
Cobra bag? You got it in the back of it or something?
This one right here.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Alright, so that's what it looks like. And then you can use one of these and we can inflate it. So put the needle in here. I got one of these from Walmart. It's a couple bucks, maybe like $5, $6. You're gonna have this cushion, and you're gonna put this in here, and it's adjustable for height. So if you need someone that's 5 foot, you can do it as short as possible, or you can go as high as 6'3". So this is what you need to lock it in. for specific heights. And that goes into, there's one hole right here. So you put it in here. And you can lock it in. And then this attaches to the base. Right here. And this goes on to right over there after you put the water in. Then you've got a Cobra bag.
to the trails, and then Saturday we do a 25K.
What do you sell these? Do you sell these?
Like add time to the thing. It's fun.
Yeah, it's my product.
Oh, nice.
I did it a couple times. 2013. No, 2013.
That's not it.
Those are also ones, yeah. Usually you don't get anything if you're 2 hours. Oh, daily? Yeah, I think like the more you run, then the less you need. Like, to it, like, and you start like your fat time you have already allowed. And also like the longer the run, like the slower you're going, the slower you go burn back to the carbs. I usually under 2 hours. But if we go over 2 hours,
You're good.
Alright,